Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just making a video to explain to you the blocked router and the no load test of the induction motor. So you will do this using the induction motor trainer and this mechanism where you have the blocked router here, and you will be supplied through the variac here. That's where the supply will be. All you will be doing is wiring this part and then feeding the supply to direct online to your motor. So you'll be using the same drawing as before for the as it is in your manuals. So all you are going to do, but remember that this M-meter, you're only going to use one M-meter. These other two won't be there, but this M-meter will be before the watt meters, right? So what you are going to do here, let's just start. I just want to show you what you are going to do. So we are going to wire this according to that circuit. So we are going to start from the red phase. So you bring it to this point where the voltmeter is, right? And you know this will be the contacts that will go to your voltmeter. So we can just do that now. We take this one, we take it to the voltmeter. This is the voltmeter here, and then yeah, that's the voltmeter, which is in parallel, right? Let's put this here. Okay, and then from your voltmeter, since this ammeter will be here now, so you take from this voltmeter now, let's see, yeah, from this voltmeter, you take it to the ammeter. This will be the contacts for your ammeter, right? Let's just do that now. We put our ammeter in line there, ammeter there, ammeter there, ammeter there. And then now from your ammeter, you'll go to the common point of your wattmeter. From our ammeter here, let's use the short ones. From our ammeter here, go to the common point of your wattmeter. Just check these ones above will be when you connect the actual ammeters, right? So let's just do that. Okay, we'll do that later. And from your wattmeter, it runs through your current coil, and from your current coil, you go to the red phase, right? So since you were using the red phase there. So now let's just connect up the wattmeter. So the wattmeter, you can see that's its current coil, right? You can take this. Okay, this one's too short. Let's use this one. From the common, this is the common here, and the one going to from your current coil, you can see, you must connect at that point to our current coil. All right. Let's go like this. Okay. All right, and then that's the current coil connected up, and you see your potential coil there. Your potential coil, you connect it up to this common point. You can see this common point here, that point there. Connect it up to your common point there, and from that common point again, you connect it to the other side of the next wattmeter, to the potential coil of that wattmeter, right? Okay, so we are done with the first line there. That first line is done, and let's deal with the second line here. All right, so we are going to use this phase. Okay, let's use the yellow phase as our second line. It comes to this point of the voltmeter there, that point of the voltmeter. From that point, it goes to the common point. From this point, it goes to the common point, right? And from the common point, let's use yellow. From the common point, since we are on the yellow phase, goes to the yellow phase, right? Okay, and then we come now to this part, the blue phase. From the blue, we come to the common point of the second potentiometer. Okay, that's the common point of the second potentiometer. And then through the current coil, and from the current coil to C. So from this current coil, let's use, we don't have blue anymore. Okay, let me just take this blue. Just get this blue, current coil. We have to get this here, this one back. Okay, just make, now what's left is to connect up the actual wattmeter here. You can see from the common, this common here must be, this is just figurative, just to show you, but then you need to make the contact to the connection to the actual wattmeter. So we're connecting this is the common point, is shown there, and then just this bridge piece from there, we take it to this point. Since it's the current coil, must be connected there. So that's our connection. Now what we are going to do next, we are going now to feed power to our motor. So the yellow face, to the yellow face, you can see this yellow face comes to the yellow part here, right? Yeah, you can see that yellow part there. This blue face, right, from the blue face, and this one, the red face, from the red point there. All right, so we can switch on our motor. Okay, that's on. It's on. All right, it's switched on like that, and then we can turn it up to rated voltage, which is 415. As you can see, it's turning there. So you can see there from the voltmeter, that's where you will be turning it up to 415. So this is our variac that we are varying. Okay, that's about it. So you can observe it's 415, your current will be 1.28 amps, and these are your 2 wattmeters. So this one plus this one will give you the wattage that is being consumed by your motor, and this is the readings you will take for your no load or your open circuit test. And then for other readings, we'll do that as we go in. But what I want you to note is just how to do this wiring. You can rewind the video and get well acquainted with this wiring. You are going to do it within 30 minutes. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.